Yo, this is David coming at you from Puerto Rico, and you're watching The Daily Grind.
I see a sky with a rainy cloud, but I'm not running. I see a train.
What's up, guys? It's Mike. Today on Smurfinwrx tech review, and is this tech? Is this considered tech? It's a key case. So why is this important? Because let me show you guys. We have a Model X with this silicone case that we bought on Amazon. I'll link you guys on this one too. Mine actually held up pretty well, but for some reason, Iris has this little issue right here. So the goal here is to replace this silicone case with a hard case that lasts a little bit longer than this one. And this is her second one that she's gone through. Not gonna ask how it's happening, but it's apparently happening. Anyways, let's open this thing up. First, you open this, and by the way, I wanna apologize for my crazy hairdo. It's been a hot evening at the warehouse and the new building. But let's open this beautiful case up. Inside, you have designed by Top Fit. Looks like an Asian name. Key case, keychain. Pretty nice packaging. The box feels very Apple-esque. Inside you have a mysterious black little pouch, which I'm assuming is the key holder inside. We'll talk about that later. Sweet little leather piece. Look at this. Not shabby, right? Feels like good quality leather. Nice, very thick, kind of basically like a C-clip type of key. Super handy. Little button to hold the leather together. Right underneath, you've got this handy dandy little tool. These are handy. If you guys haven't had these, buy a set. If not, these help a lot with sunglasses. So these little screws are hard to come by once in a while, so keep them if you haven't. They're multi-use for many little things that you guys have indoors. Mysterious little black pouch. First, looks like you've got a little baggie, a little bit of foam, and very little screws that has, looks like Loctite lubrication or sealant on them already. And then of course, you've got the case itself. It is a rose gold that she picked out for herself. And I am assuming you would be able to pop this out, get this to pop open. It's actually pretty hard. It's fairly solid. By the way, if you guys are looking for these, I'll link you guys in the description below for the Amazon link. I'm a big Amazon guy, dude. I buy almost everything on Amazon. So you can find them in a variety of color for your Model S and Model X. You can find them rose gold, gold, and black. There should be a silver option too. So pretty good. We bought these for $24.29, which is a pretty good deal. Amazon Prime shipping came here in like 2 days. Sweet, let's open this bad boy up. So this case right here is being held in by one little screw right down here. I'll go ahead and just remove this with the tool provided. Here we go. We have the two cases. Looks pretty good. Nice solid piece of metal. This is gonna be our old case right here, as you can see. Moving this key, and it is dirty. You guys check this out. This is the Model X key. That's cool. It's the shape of the car, which I like. Let's install it. Pretty self-explanatory on this one. It just goes right on top. Look at that. It's like futuristic now. Take this little bottom piece, put it right on. I'm gonna take one of these screws right here, and we're just gonna put it right in place. Now this is pretty interesting. You only need a total of 2 screws. So they gave you a total of 4, plus one that was currently inside. So I'm just gonna install the last one right inside here. Now you have a solid Model X key. So this setup is actually fairly interesting. If you guys take a look at this, it is a flat head with a receiver nut. You're just gonna slip this right through here, take that off, and there's already a puncture right here in the leather. Just gonna screw it all the way down, putting pressure on the rear. That way you can have the top not free spin on the bottom. Here you still have access to your controls. You can press on the side, driver side, passenger side. You can still hit your trunk button, which is right here. You can hit your front trunk buttons right here. You can hit your top button for lock and unlock right on top. The leather is nice and tight, has a slight stretch to it. And your little clip here, still accessible and easy to use. Rose gold premium metal edition for your Model X key. So biggest difference between this and this is complete coverage and partial coverage. This one covers the entire thing, but you do run into the problem of possible rip and tears. On this one specifically, it is partial coverage. It looks damn good, but you're still, if you're worried about scratching your key, you're still gonna scratch amongst these sides, this side, and that side. But if you plan to drop it, this is gonna give you partial protection. Overall, it looks cool. So there you have it. You have a partially covered hard case for your Model X key. They have a Model S version also. This here is good if you guys are looking for an item that covers the entire key. Really handy because it pretty much protects you from all scratches, but you run into this problem right here. So now it's really up to you guys. Which one do you guys like? Yes, let me know in the comments below. Full protection, partial protection, super primo, kind of rubbery. On my personal key, I still run one of these. On the wife's keys, she's running one of these. I'll let you guys know in about a week how it survives. Kind of interesting, right? That's all for this week's tech review with Mike Wynn. No, I'm just kidding. If you guys want to look at this, check it out on Amazon, link in description below. And in the meantime, let's get back to our normal vlog. Ready, set, go. New music right here. It's good. Hey guys, but good morning. I am super excited. I'm picking up my friend. I've known this guy, you guys have seen him on video before. I've known him since I was 3 years old. That's crazy. But anyways, let's get him in the seat. Ready? Boom! Lamb. David.
That's me.
I've known him since I was 3 years old. Our peepees were probably same size.
Still is.
Damn. And then we used to ride bikes, throw shit at things, copy each other's homework.
Yeah.
Oh man, now we're adults and married. Sick 2000, oh my god. It's Tony Tran. Or was it Johnny Tran?
Oh, thank you.
You have arrived at your destination. Thank you for riding the big black truck. Took David through the front of the escape room. But we're gonna go to lunch, and then afterwards, I'm gonna take him a quick cheat code walkthrough, and he's gonna tell you guys what he thinks of it, kind of like without spoiling it. But in the meantime, I found something weird. What is this? That's pretty cool.
Get on it. Yeah, you're right. That's pretty sick.
Oh, it's a Grom.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I'm over there, so I spotted it from a distance. I'm like, wait, two of you guys fit on here?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, I daily it from San Bernardino over here.
How many miles?
It's like 35 a day.
On this thing?
Like one way, yeah.
Damn. How big's the tank?
1.6.
How many? Wait.
It gets about 100 miles to the gallon.
My truck gets about 10.
Yeah, that's a big
so
difference, man. I get about I waste about $1 a day to get to work.
$1.
Yeah.
That's good. That's so cool. That's awesome. That's wild. All right, thanks for showing me that.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, see you guys.
Have a good
Bye. It looks fun. Would you ride in the back?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just
only if you're driving it.
That's really nice cars. Listen to her. She's like car spotting today. Oh, wow, it's a Rari. Nice cars.
Thank you.
What's up, dude? Sick. This one. Good. Man, all these Asian people get told a nice car, huh? Hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Can you say hi?
Can I get a kiss?
Oh my god.
Kiss.
After that drool though.
Fail.
Hi, baby. Wow, look at these guys. Baby.
Can you hold it? Hold your bag. It's your bag. Say thank you. Thank you.
How's here though?
Good. How are you?
What's up, bro?
Hi.
Brady. Is that a bag? Huh? You know, this is one of your godparents.
Yeah.
You're a godfather.
I am. Godfather before being a parent.
Huh?
Who's that? Is that you? That's you, huh?
She's like really looking.
I know.
Focusing.
She's like,
Yeah.
That
She's
dress
like,
looks pretty
I don't
good.
like that filter you picked for me. Retake it.
Leah, look.
Hey, you're gonna open your presents later, but oh my god.
Boy.
Thank you. She started taking it apart. One thing about hanging out with us is after we eat, for some reason they always want sweet drinks. Boba? Was it boba? Huh? Did I just hear you getting popcorn chicken?
I'm gonna be in the shop for a long time. I'm gonna be hungry.
So we're gonna get 2 bobas?
I think the place is haunted. Thomas says it's like half the lights aren't working right now.
Yeah, literally, it's blackout escape.
We're gonna take David. I'm eating popcorn chicken. We're gonna take David inside the escape room as a quick walkthrough. You're gonna tell him afterwards, like, how you feel about it. We're back. Tell us.
The room is genuinely scary. I mean, I got chills just like walking through slowly. Oh, you gotta check it out. It's super scary.
See, so we had a scare portion that we did. And I wish I could show you guys, but we can't. But
I know you can still see the goosebumps.
It's so crazy. Because like we want this to be like really creepy and fun. And I like only scary ones. So I'm glad Dave was probably the first person to walk through it. Pretty 95% done.
Yeah.
Good shit?
It's good. It's gonna be interactive.